Despite being founded in 1776, the US has one of the most fascinating and diverse histories of any country in the world. Formed from 50 unique states, the US is awash with incredible pieces of architecture which not only render its landscape beautiful but retell its political and social story. The first on our list is the Library of Congress, Washington, D.C. Dating back to 1900, the Library of Congress is home to millions of books and historic papers. The Research Library serves the United States Congress and also happens to be the world's largest and perhaps the most beautiful library. The main reading room, with its dominant bronze statues, painted dome, and precious marble clock, is particularly spectacular. Free guided tours usually run for the library as well. Independence Hall, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Standing proud in the heart of Philadelphia, Independence Hall is one of America's most significant landmarks, not least because of its beauty. Here, in 1776, the Declaration of Independence was signed and the United States of America was born. It was also inside these walls that the Constitution of the United States was created. It's now part of Independence National Historical Park. Harvard University, Cambridge, Massachusetts. As one of the world's greatest education institutions, Harvard University is also America's oldest. Renowned around the world, its spectacular red brick buildings date back to 1636, with 300-year-old Massachusetts Hall being the campus's oldest surviving structure. Synonymous with prestige, Harvard has an incredible list of alumni, including Bill Gates and Michelle Obama. But you don't need a high GPA in order to go. The campus is usually open year-round for public tours. Castillo de San Marcos, St. Augustine, Florida. Reminiscent of a historic European fortress, Castillo de San Marcos can actually be found in St. Augustine, Florida. Constructed between 1672 and 1695 to defend the Atlantic trade route, the ancient building is the oldest masonry fort in the United States. Bringing to life 450 years of history, the National Monument is usually open to the public between Wednesday and Sunday, but check the website for updates. Biltmore, Asheville, North Carolina. The Biltmore Estate stands proud as one of America's most spectacular pieces of architecture. Constructed in 1889 by George Vanderbilt, the grandson of the business magnate Cornelius Vanderbilt, the Gilded Age Mansion is the country's largest residential home. Spanning 16,623 square meters, it took 6 years to construct. Highlights include the home's medieval-style banqueting hall and 8,000-acre landscaped grounds. St. Louis Cathedral, New Orleans, Louisiana. Akin to a fairy tale castle, St. Louis Cathedral lies at the heart of New Orleans. As one of the city's most notable landmarks, worshippers have been seeking refuge here since 1727. The church was designed and constructed by French engineer Adrien de Péguer, who sadly passed away before it was finished. It burnt to the ground in March 1788 and its replacement was finished in 1794. To this day, St. Louis Cathedral remains one of America's most famous places of worship. Drayton Hall, Charleston, South Carolina. Considered one of America's most well-preserved plantations, Drayton Hall is the oldest colonial period house in Charleston. Entirely unrestored, the property has remained intact since its construction in 1738, offering an insight into the country's complex past. Drayton Hall has survived the Revolutionary War and the Civil War and is protected by the National Trust for Historic Preservation. Now operating as a museum, Drayton Hall educates visitors on the important story of America's enslaved. U.S. State Capitol, Washington, D.C. The U.S. State Capitol is one of America's most recognizable buildings and is perhaps the greatest symbol of democracy in the world. Built in 1800, this is where the US government makes its all-important decisions. It also houses a significant American art collection, one that is typically visited by millions every year. Partially burned down during the War of 1812, the building has been reconstructed several times and now covers an area of 16.5 acres. Montezuma Castle, Arizona. Spanning 5 floors, Montezuma Castle was built by the indigenous Sinagua people between AD 1100 and 1425, making it a truly magnificent feat of engineering. Made up of 20 rooms carved from rough limestone, the Poblacion ruin is one of America's most noteworthy national monuments. Alcatraz, San Francisco, California. Synonymous with notorious criminals and famous movies, there's more to Alcatraz than you might expect. Once a fort, military prison, and federal penitentiary, Alcatraz was also the location of an important civil rights protest. For 19 months in 1969 and 1970, indigenous activists known as the Indians of all tribes occupied Alcatraz in the name of freedom.